Welcome, and thank you for joining us today for our cooking demonstration. My name is Amanda Stevenson, and I'm a registered dietitian here at Cleveland Clinic. I'm going to be going over some easy and healthy summer recipes. Today, we are going to be doing a no-cook granola bar, which is a great recipe for incorporating with kids at home or taking with you on some summer road trips or soccer games. It's just a few simple items you may already have in your pantry and is a great nutritious snack. So we'll get started. We're gonna start with our natural peanut butter. We need about a half of a cup. So just get a spatula and your measuring cups. Get my half a cup. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna set this down. It's easier to get in that way. Peanut butter is a great high protein food item that you can incorporate with fruits. You do apple slices or celery sticks, make ants on a log, or with some whole grain crackers, or even part of your breakfast food. You can incorporate it with your oatmeal. So we're gonna put a half a cup in our bowl. Okay, put that aside. And then we're gonna add a third of a cup of honey. Okay. All right. So for these no-cook granola bars, you don't have to bake them or anything, but they do require some refrigeration. Need about 3 hours to set. And kids love this because it's messy and gooey and they can lick their fingers when they're done helping you prep. All right, so mix those two items together as best that you can. It's a little sticky. All right, and now we're gonna add in our oats. So you just wanna get a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. All right, and it doesn't have to be exact. Add a cup of that in. And then you can add in a cup of any nut mixture that you like. We're using a nut blend that has almonds and dried fruit, walnuts. You could use sunflower seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, any really nut blend that you like. And we're going to do a full cup of this as well. Okay, and those dried blueberries and dried cranberries add a little pop of color, which is nice. You want your food to look appetizing and appealing, especially if you're trying to get kiddos to eat it. So this, our last ingredient, is just some dried coconut, and this is a fourth of a cup. Just gonna add that right on top. Okay, so you just stir it all together. So making homemade granola bars versus buying them already pre-packaged and pre-made, you get to control the ingredients. So say you're trying to watch your sugar, you can control how much honey you're putting in or how much of the sweetened cranberries you're adding. You can also control the freshness, not having preservatives in there. Can add more protein. You can always add protein powder to your granola bars if you're trying to make more of a protein bar. All right, so this next step is the fun part that kids would like. I don't want to get my hands too dirty, so I'm going to put on some gloves. You just need a baking pan. You can use an 8x8, 9x9, however thick or thin you'd like your granola bars. You can use cooking spray if you'd like, butter cooking spray, or aluminum foil if you want to make it easy cleanup. You're just going to pour in this mixture into the pan and try to get all those pieces off. A little bit that's stuck down there. And this is where kids would have a lot of fun. You just press it in. And like I said, you can make it as thick or thin as you'd like. And you can always top with cinnamon or, like I said, sunflower seeds, pepitas, chia seeds. I like mine a little bit thicker. Just try to make a square as much as possible. So when you're making a recipe, you can use, there are free calorie counting applications, phone applications that you just put in all the ingredients and you can personalize it. Like I said, if you're adding sunflower seeds or chia seeds, you just put in the amount that you're adding and then divide it by serving. So this recipe would make about 6 granola bars, smaller size, and then you can figure out how much protein or calories are in each serving size. So you'd pop this in the refrigerator for 3 hours, or if you are in a rush, you could pop it in the freezer even. You just want it to solidify a little bit so that you can cut them up into individual portions. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to join us for an in-person complimentary cooking demonstration, we offer a monthly cooking demo for our cancer patients at Maroone Cancer Center. The information can be found on our Maroone Cancer Center website under Support Services.